Admission from the Pentagon. The American F-35s were in the workshop for over 6 months. Extensive concerns were raised in the West and among its international partners by new official statistics released by the Pentagon regarding the operational availability of the American fleet of fifth-generation F-35 Lightning II fighters. Specifically, the American Department of Defense revealed that due to maintenance issues from the manufacturer Lockheed Martin, the United States multi-role F-35 fighters were not able to be operationally deployed for most of 2024. The report was compiled by the Pentagon's Inspector General, who identified failures both on the part of the manufacturer Lockheed Martin and the American Department of Defense. The Inspector General specifically revealed that most American F-35 fighter jets were out of operational availability for the majority of 2024 due to issues related to maintenance. The lack of spare parts was identified as a key problem. Although the Office of the Department of War responsible for the F-35 program knew that Lockheed Martin was delaying the delivery of spare parts, it did not significantly pressure the company to fulfill its obligations, the inspector specifically emphasized. He added that despite the fact that Lockheed Martin violated the terms of the agreement by not adhering to the spare parts supply schedule, the Pentagon still paid the company $1.7 billion within the year, according to the agreement signed by the United States Department of War. It had the legal right and obligation to demand that the manufacturer adjust the final cost because the company had breached the terms of the contract. Despite this, the Pentagon did not initiate the relevant procedures and paid the original amount to the company. Despite the extensive delays and shortages of spare parts, which significantly affect the operational availability of the F-35 fighter fleet, the inspector concluded. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.